If vacuuming the carpet or loading the dishwasher is triggering agonizing back pain or sciatica in your home here in Edinburgh, listen to this very carefully. It is completely normal to struggle with chores when your spine is highly sensitive. But dropping your housework entirely out of fear of pain is actually the worst thing you can do. Completely shutting down your daily tasks is a direct route to what we call fear avoidance and long-term disability. Your back isn't really fragile, it's actually an incredibly robust structure. It's just going through a hypersensitive phase. To heal quickly, you shouldn't stop the chores. You need to manage the dose. If 20 minutes of vacuuming triggers a flare-up, just do 10 minutes. Break your household tasks down into smaller, frequent blocks. Use it or lose it, but don't abuse it. That's the first rule. You can also change how you move to take the load off your nerves. When vacuuming, most people reach way forward, throwing their lower back into painful forward bending. We call it flexion. Instead, walk with the machine. Keep it directly in front of your feet so your spine stays upright. If you have a cylinder vacuum that drags behind you, stop twisting mindlessly to yank at it. Turn your entire body, face it directly, and move it with your legs. And remember to start low and build slow so that you keep your ultimate recovery goals in mind. Housework shouldn't break your back. Modify the movement, protect the healing process, and stay active.